Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a review on a hair tool from Revlon. It's the brush blow dryer that's been quite popular in the past year or two, so I decided to try it out myself. Then I'm gonna show you in this video how I get to this result with this tool. Stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, comment, and like, and let's get to this. Revlon. So Perfectionist 2-in-1 dryer. There aren't as much reviews of this Revlon blow dryer with my hair type, so I do have a few that I love to wash that I'll link down below that are amazing, and I'm super excited. As you can tell, I've already opened the box because I just couldn't wait. Usually, what do I use? I use your normal dryer with a comb. Actually, I think this is also Revlon actually. Yeah, so I usually use this Revlon blow dryer that has a tooth comb. As you can see, my tooth comb looks very sad right now. This is what kinky hair would do. Okay, no one tells you that this is what kinky hair will do to your blow dryer. It gets my hair, you know, in the blow dry look that I love. I'll just maybe put a picture here of how it usually looks like when I blow dry it myself. It takes a lot of time. It's draining. My arm hurts. I have real muscles on my arms and shoulders, and especially when you're in a rush, it's just stressful. And you have wash day. So compiling all of that in one day is super draining. So I'm hoping, right, that this product will do the trick for me. So they say less time. So large paddle brush design dries hair quickly and smoothly. Ionic generator for faster drying and added shine. Designed to do back of head with ease. So anyone who has natural hair here knows how the back is hard to blow dry if you're doing it by yourself. Less damage, which is great. No one wants damage. So dries and styles in one step for less heat damage. Tangle-free bristles, plus cushion head for comfort. Preheat speed settings, tangle-free, swivel cord, lightweight. Okay, so it literally seems like the dream blow dryer, to be honest. And of course, this girl doesn't look like me, but I'm gonna make this look the way it's supposed to look. Just washed my hair, literally just washed it. My water is still dripping all around me. Oh, I need to take this off because one of my good friend Manuka always says that I have these little things hanging out. Shout out to you, Manuka. I can't do anything about it, okay? So just ignore it, guys, ignore it. What do I use to wash my hair? A YouTuber that I love, she recommended the Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo. So it's with African rock fig and baobab oil. This is live. This is my third or fourth time using this shampoo. It's oh my god, wow, I don't know what to say. It's just amazing. And the way my curls get so juicy in the shower, and it washes it so nicely. And first and foremost, it smells so good. The smell will stay for weeks and weeks. I go straight to the mask. So it's the same brand. So it's the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. Right now, I got my Meek Mill braids going on. Fuck that checker. Fuck that checker. Fuck that checker. Whoa, fuck that checker. This is what it looks like. The grip is really nice. I'm excited. Here's my peppermint oil that I spoke about in my first video. If you haven't watched it, it's gonna be linked down below. Great oil that I'm gonna use before blow drying. I tend to like giving it layers so that it feels like the blow dryer is not just attacking my hair strands directly, but there is actually something to strengthen it and protect it. So I actually use this Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Blow Dry Cream. Again, I saw this in a couple of reviews on YouTube, and I'm just excited to try it. And I also have a Tresemme spray here. It's a heat defense up to 230-degree protection styling spray. So I also put that before. And then sometimes I do put conditioner. This is the Auntie Jackie's one. Very affordable and works really well. It's a coconut cream deep conditioner. I think I'll start with this section here. Curls are popping. What I do use to detangle my hair, guys, you're gonna laugh at me. I only started using the Tangle free brush, and it's literally changed my life, changed my hair texture. It's amazing. I don't know why I wasn't on the hype before. I just thought it was fake. I was like, a white tooth comb will do, you know, the African in me. Let me start with a little bit of deep conditioner and then some peppermint. So I'm just gonna mix that together. Not too much, guys. Like, you're not actually washing your hair, so not too much. Just add it in there, massage it. I forgot to do my dance. Warm it, warm it, warm it, warm it. Ay, 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 ay. And then use this one, the Shea moisture. So this is how much I've put in. Finally, I will put the heat protectant spray. I like to detangle because I don't want to depend on the actual blow dry brush. I'm excited. Blow dryer is here. So it has 3 settings. It has a cool setting and then 1 level of heat and then the second highest level of heat. So I'm gonna start with the first level of heat because I just don't want to attack my hair so quickly. Let's see, guys. Ooh. Okay, guys, this is it. Okay, I'm gonna start with the end.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay. Let's just talk about this for a second. What the hell? Okay, guys. You can see it's still kind of puffy, but if anyone has kinky hair, the softness that it's just given me is incredible. Wow. Okay. Like, look at that. Wow. Okay. Let me not get too overwhelmed here because I could cry. Let's keep going. Wow. Look at that. My ghetto white tooth comb on my blow dryer could never do this. Wow. First section done. I will say it is a little hard though to like get into the roots, but it has blow dried it, but it's just a little harder. I think starting from here downwards it's great, but you kind of have to go in there for the upper section. So I definitely think too much of a big chunk, especially when you have kinky hair, it's just a lot for the brush. It works really well, but I think you still have to work in smaller sections. You'll just get a better result, right? And I'm gonna start with the first setting. Start at the back. Just thought I would try the highest setting just to see how it works with my hair. I also forgot to mention it's only about 300 Rand, which is incredible for such a product. Let me just make a conversion of 300 Rand in euros and dollars. Okay, so that's the equivalent of 18 euros, guys. Okay, so that's about $21. $21, all right, for this type of result. I'm loving it. I love a good bargain. Anyone who knows me, I love a good bargain and I love something that works well for me. Please, no one be alarmed. I know you saw some smoke. It's not actually the brush that's like burning my hair. It's just the products that I added to them just before the blow dryer. So it's your conditioner, your creams that are just kind of evaporating. So not to be alarmed, nothing is burning here. I'm gonna continue my upper section now. Again, I like to start with the first setting of heat just to not attack my hair, and then I'll go to the higher heat setting, which is the highest one, and then finish off with the cool one to lock it in. This side of the head is done. I'm super impressed, guys. The results I get with my old blow dryer compared to this is nothing like it. Like, it almost seems like I've straightened it a bit when really it's just the blow dryer doing its job. I'm gonna do this section. I feel like I'll get back to you guys once I'm at the upper section because this is literally redundant. I'm doing the same thing like I did for this section, and then we can have a final look when the full head is looking cute. Okay, bye Meek Mill braids. So I'm back. So I'm just finishing up the last section of it all. I'm on the highest setting now. Yeah, guys, final thoughts. I think it's amazing, to be honest. I think it's done quite the job. It was also like fun to use, you know? Sometimes the normal blow dries just feel really annoying, but this, the grip is nice. Your hand feels comfortable. You don't have to go so many ways, and it really takes the back nicely. I think it's totally worth it. Actually thinking of buying a second one just in case this breaks out and I don't know, I find myself somewhere where it isn't there. I just want a second one as a backup. So this is basically what was coming out of my hair as it was wet, and I hadn't detangled it so much in the shower. So this is what's come out of my wash day plus the blow dry, which I think is pretty good. In terms of time, I will say it is a lot of time cut out, just because it's just easier to maneuver and it gives you the results you want in a lesser time. If you do have more hair, you do have to work in smaller section if you want it to get dry evenly. So that would say is the only downside. It does cut down my time at least in half. Usually if I blow dry my hair with a normal blow dry, it takes about like 2 hours or so. That's if I'm like on it. And this was about an hour in total. So I think it's great. I'm just excited. I feel like if you need to run out of the house, need a quick blow dry, it does your job. I think you can buy it online if you don't have the clicks around you. But yeah, any clicks sell this. I literally bought my one in Cavendish, and they had a bunch in stock. So I'm quickly gonna run back and get a second one. But guys, I'm so impressed. Like, this is my love. This is my love. So I really recommend this, guys. It exceeded my expectations. I've seen so many reviews as well, and I was always skeptical. I mean, I would see some girls with my hair type, and I'm always like, I'm sure there's something wrong that's not gonna work for me. But I'm no extraordinary hairstylist here, and this works really well for me. A few people from my last video have asked me where they could find peppermint oil in London or Geneva, so I think I'm just gonna put the links for each city. I'm gonna try and find them. I'll leave the link down below, especially just for South Africa. This you can find at Clicks, so I'll put the link down below. And then I do think that in London you can find it in Boots. In Geneva, I'm not too sure yet, so I'll have a look around, but I don't know. I'm assuming maybe Migros or Cup, maybe the bigger ones, you could find them. So, or Manor. I didn't think about that. Yes. So Manor should probably have it. I'll have a look online and just put it on the description box below. Voila! Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, please. Like, comment, tell me what you think. And if you do end up buying it, shout out to your homegirl. Bye!